Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see Navy Federal closed my account for suspicious activity. Whenever you are facing this error, we'll see what you can do for this in order to fix this particular error. Okay, so let's get started. So we'll follow some of the steps in order to resolve this particular issue, Navy Federal account closure for the suspicious activity. Step number one is contact the Navy Federal Security Department. Call Navy Federal Security Department during business hours. Provide your account details and explain the situation. Verify your identity and discuss the suspicious activity. The step number two is review your account activity. Log into your Navy Federal account. Check for any unauthorized transactions or errors. Note down any discrepancies for reporting. Step number three is update the contact information. Ensure the Navy Federal has your current phone number and the email. Update any changes to facilitate the communication. The step number four is stay informed about the digital security. Educate yourself on the digital security best practices. Use unique usernames and the strong password. Enable the biometric sign-ins where available. Keep contact information up to date. Step number five is be patient. Understand that the investigations may take time. Cooperate with the Navy Federal throughout the resolution process. Follow up the regularly for the updates on the status of your account. So this is how you can fix the issue that is Navy Federal closed my account for the suspicious activity. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.